Hello and welcome. This explained that this is a guide on how to fix your Instagram not working at all. So first try and go to your Play Store app and then just try and researching Instagram. And after that, you can just tap on the Instagram app and then try to update it if there's an update button there. If there's not, more likely you're going to uninstall the app and install it again. So just wait for it to download the update, or if in your case you're already downloading it, just head on it. So after that, you'll be able to use the Instagram app and try to go to your app info, and then you can also uninstall it there. But in here, we can just force stop it and then tap on the clear data, then clear cache. Just tap on OK, and then after you're done, just open it up, and that's about it. You'll be able to now have your Instagram working.